2019 Freightliner M2. This is the low pro version, so it's on 19.5-inch wheels rather than 22.5. This has a 20-foot van body with no lift gate. Come down here and show you the chassis. This truck has a 6.7 liter 6-cylinder Cummins diesel engine. This van body was customized with steps and shelving. It's got tons of shelving inside, which can all be removed. It does have an exhaust fan with a remote control that's in the cab. Tons and tons of storage in here. Now, going to the driver's side. It does have a backup camera up there, the monitor on the dashboard. Does have air brakes, however it is under CDL requirements at 26,000 pounds for a GVW. Coming up in the cab, you can see there we've got 57,000 miles, almost 58. It's got a wood grain dash, automatic transmission. There's your remote for the exhaust fan in the back. There is your monitor for the backup camera. If you have any questions, call 727-484-8583.